So my mega fans and mega friends, you know me, Toy Insanity. Here was some more of that Dollar Insanity. Been a while, But check it, dropping right now. Stocking Stuffer Season 2020 at the Doll Hair Tree. Dollar Insanity. We got some construction vehicle packs from Mega Construx. Dollar each, guys. What do we got? Looks like we got set of 6 packs are coded. I'm about to reveal the codes. This is a jackhammer. This is a bulldozer. What is that, a crane or an earth mover? A cement truck, a dump truck, a forklift. Okay. Pack coded 8-5. Oh my gosh, rolling wheels. I didn't even look close enough to realize. Rolling wheels, instruction sheet. Can we determine who this is? Oh, there's still more inside. Okay, I'll have them build out in a minute. What do we think this is going to be? Oh, the jackhammer. Okay, very cool. That's 8-5, 8-6. Codes are right here where my thumb is. You look for the 2 digits that differ before the TC. Okay, pack 8-6. Oh dear. Who has the big windshield? Okay, it's probably gonna be the claw machine. I don't know. I don't know. Back 8-7. Full set, $6. Get to your Dollar Tree. I don't know. What's your guess? Who does that go to? All right. No way. Okay, 8-8. Almost thought, did I get a duplicate after all this? Pack 8-8 is gonna be great. Oh wait, that is this one. Okay, so we got 8-9. And 90 packs are coded right in the middle. Okay. Set of six. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big fat thumbs up. Slap like. Be right back. Right, we're back. Everything's constructed. These are actually very cool. And they're only $1 a piece. Name brand, Mattel Mega Construx. Alright, they're arranged in the same way as I revealed the codes. 8-5 is the jackhammer. 8-6 is the cement mixer. 8-7 is the dump truck. 8-8 is the excavator. I finally thought of the name. 8-9 is the bulldozer. And 90 is the forklift. Let's have a closer look. The instructions will probably blow away, but I want to show you the unique articulation, the rolling wheels. Very cool. I think you really don't get a sense for how cool they are until you put them together. There goes that. So this will turn around, the wheels will roll, this will lift up and dump, and of course the wheels will roll. The excavator. No rolling wheels, but plenty of motion and movement. Very nice. Bulldozer. And the forklift, surprisingly, does not have any motion feature. Besides the rolling wheels, you cannot actually lift up the fork portion of said forklift. Guys and girls, I am certified forklift ready. Thumbs up for your local forklift operator. Thanks a bunch. Goodbye.